Gary's crusade to bring the power of the wolfberry to Western culture would draw on inspiration from the ancients and take advantage of the best in modern science, technology, and innovation.
There are so many stories fabricated in our world today, and so many things to promote the selling of a product without the science or the facts to back it up and document it.
And there we find the new technologies really taking over and using as a foundation the traditional uses that sometimes couldn't be documented. But now we have the assurance that goes along with documenting active ingredients having tested in laboratories.
There are at least 80 species of lycium worldwide, with 10 in China. Only the barbarum and chinense varieties have been studied for therapeutic effects, with the barbarum showing the highest nutrient levels in scientific testing. To the people of China, wolfberries from the Ningxia province are treasured above all others.
When the people buying the wolfberry, they always ask you, is this came from Ningxia? In the market, somebody will pretend that their wolfberry came from Ningxia. Oh yeah, those wolfberries came from Ningxia, but sometimes it's not.
The Ningxia region holds the green certificate, China's equivalent of the USDA's organic certification. In addition, the Ningxia wolfberry has won 3 gold prizes in the China Agricultural Fair and a gold prize in the Malaysian International Food Fair. Each year, the people of Ningxia celebrate the wolfberry during a 2-week festival. Chinese Olympic athletes consume wolfberries as their secret weapon in developing the competitive edge.
The Lycium barbarum growing in that state farm and in other places in Ningxia is well adapted for those conditions. There in Ningxia, the irrigation water comes from the Yellow River.
It brings all that silt off, and where is the floodplain? The Elbow Plateau in Ningxia. Thousands of years of that rain and snow coming off those high mountains, bringing it down and deposit it into that plateau. And that's why the Ningxia wolfberry is so rich in nutrients.
The elevation is just exactly right, you might say, for the plant to be most productive. So any other places would not have the same ecological conditions of soils, of pH of water, or nutrients in the soil. Just beautiful plants.
The auspicious cultural background of the Ningxia wolfberry did not prepare researchers for what they discovered when the actual chemical constituents were identified.
Has immune-stimulating polysaccharides. It's higher in vitamin C than oranges. It's higher in beta-carotene than carrots. It's higher in calcium than cauliflower. It has 18 amino acids, 21 essential minerals, 16% protein by volume.
Scientific and clinical studies on Lycium barbarum reveal the far-reaching benefits of this superfood.
It is not surprising to see the research into the nutrients of the Ningxia wolfberry be so abundant. For instance, we see that the nutrients therein can block the damaging effect of free radicals that negatively impact the aging process because of the antioxidants. The detoxification pathways of the liver are fueled by micronutrients found in the Ningxia wolfberry. The immune system at the cell level, tissue level, and the intestines is also fueled by nutrients in the wolfberry, as well as all the energy processes of cells. Then DNA damage can be minimized by the nutrients in the wolfberry that decrease mutations in the DNA and cells. Cholesterol can also be lowered by providing antioxidants that heal the damage cholesterol is trying to repair, which is the same thing with eyesight and eye problems.
Determined to make the benefits of the Ningxia wolfberry available to everyone, Gary incorporated wolfberries into a wide variety of products, from cosmetics to dietary supplements.
I didn't want to just create another vitamin product. I could only think of one substance through all of my research that would give me vitamin C, that would give me calcium, potassium, magnesium, amino acids, and be one product: wolfberry.
Each part of the fresh wolfberry fruit, the juice, flesh, and peel, contains a unique balance of nutrients. In order to deliver these nutrients in the right amounts and make it an easy addition to the daily diet, Gary formulated the wolfberry blend, Ningxia Red. Organic whole wolfberry puree constitutes over 50% of every bottle of Ningxia Red. Puree means the nutrient-dense skin and flesh are used as well as the juice. The puree is blended with other nutrient-rich juices like blueberry, pomegranate, apricot, and raspberry, each with proven health benefits. The essential oils of lemon and orange, plus a special preparation of dark grape seeds, skins, and stems, renowned for strengthening the heart and circulation, complete the blend of all natural ingredients. In order to protect the sensitive bioactive nutrients in fresh wolfberries, a proprietary preparation technique called Nutrient Guard was developed. This careful preparation must begin right where the wolfberries are grown and harvested, in China.
受国家专利化的保护。那么宁夏福德公司呢，中宁县，这是枸杞正宗的原产地。
Young Living researchers worked for 7 years to perfect a preparation that blends the proprietary wolfberry puree and other premium ingredients to consistently deliver superior nutrient values.
I'm always telling people to look into the quality of products they buy. For instance, a bottle, does it have really the ingredients it says it has? And more importantly, does it have the right percentage of the ingredients, high enough to be effective?
Using live cell analysis, we can see the effects of supplementation on the blood. Ningxia Red, through our testing, has consistently demonstrated its beneficial health effects.
There are bad sugars and good sugars. If we eat the bad sugars, we're short-circuiting everything about the cell membrane because the cell membrane needs the right polysaccharides.
One of the largest areas of current study in the field of health and nutrition involves free radicals and antioxidants. Free radicals are molecules created as byproducts of normal metabolic functions in the body. They can also be introduced by toxicity in the body and polluted environmental conditions. Free radicals contain unstable oxygen ions that can disrupt other molecules, causing damage. Accumulated free radical damage is thought to be the cause of many diseases, from aging to cancer. The body naturally produces antioxidants, substances which neutralize the free radicals, but with quadrillions of free radical attacks every day, foods high in antioxidants are desperately needed by the body. Determining what we should eat to battle free radicals has been difficult because scientists have faced huge challenges in measuring the true antioxidant value of foods. USDA researchers recently developed the ORAC test to determine which foods and supplements have the highest amounts of antioxidants. This test is now becoming a worldwide standard. ORAC testing is only performed in facilities which adhere to the strict laboratory conditions and procedures required by the analysis. ORAC testing confirms that wolfberries have the highest natural levels of many powerful and important antioxidants. Third-party comparative ORAC testing confirms that Ningxia Red captures this power, making it remarkable among functional drinks. The S-ORAC is a specific type of ORAC analysis that measures the ability of a product to neutralize superoxide, the most dangerous and abundant free radical in the body. Because this ability is rare among fruits and is easily lost in processing, most functional drinks have very little effect against superoxide. However, the natural S-ORAC activity in wolfberry is kept alive in Ningxia Red synergistic preparation, giving it more than 40 times the activity of other popular functional drinks.
You have the data put on table, describe it really in a scientific way. Now I got a GC. I got a mass spectral co-worker in France. So whatever I want to know the chemistry, I can deeply dig into.
My excitement was great when I first met Dr. Chow, and when he first handed me the folder of information that his daughter Sue had translated in my behalf, and I sat at my desk that evening and started reading through it, and I started reading the things about the